Hello students, welcome all of you. Today we are going to start topic number 2, utility analysis. Last lecture we have already studied meaning, features and types of utility. Now we are going to start concepts of total utility and marginal utility, then relation between total utility and marginal utility, and distinguish between a total utility and marginal utility. So number 1, total utility. Total utility, in a concept, total utility refers to the aggregate of utility derived by the consumer from all units of commodity consumed. It is an aggregate of the utilities from all successive units of a commodity consumed. Total utility TU. Total utility refers to the aggregate. Total utility refers to the aggregate of utility derived by the consumer from all units of commodity consumed. Means when consumer consumed first banana, second banana, third, fourth, fifth. Suppose consumer consumed fifth units of banana, it is called total utility. It is an aggregate of utilities from all successive units. Successive units means continuous. Successive units of a commodity consumed. Means first banana consumed, then second consumption, third. Successive unit means continuous when consumer consumed, then total, summation, it is called total utility. Successive also very important. Just see picture, then you are clear. Consumer consumed first mango or first banana, then second, then third, then fourth. Continuous success also very important. Here not taking a break or time interval. So formula, total utility is equal to, here a question mark symbol, actually here summation symbol also very necessary. So TU is equal to summation MU or TU is equal to marginal utility 1 plus marginal utility 2 plus 3 dot dot plus marginal utility n. These are the formula measurement of total utility. Then second concept, marginal utility MU. Just see here, marginal utility refers to the additional utility derived by a consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. Means in TU last example, when consumer consumed 5 quantities of banana, then consumer consumed extra units of banana, means number 6. It is called additional, it is called extra, it is called last. So derived by a consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. In other words, it is the addition made by the last unit of a commodity consumed. Marginal utility means extra unit, last unit or additional unit. Means when consumer consumed 5 banana, again consumed number 6 banana, number 6, it is called last unit, it is called additional, it is called marginal. So formula, MUN is equal to TUN minus TU in bracket n minus 1 mu1 plus mu2 plus mu3 is equal to marginal utility of each unit. Then mun is equal to marginal utility of nth unit. Total utility n is equal to total utility of nth level. Total utility in Tu in bracket n minus 1 is equal to total utility at previous level. So these are the relation between a total utility and marginal utility. Listen once again. Total utility means when consumer consumed all units of commodity aggregate summation, it is called total utility, and marginal utility means the last unit, extra unit or additional unit when consumer consumed, it is called marginal utility. Then in this topic, next concept or next pointer, relationship between total utility and marginal utility, also very important here. So number 1 column heading units of X commodity, number 2nd column heading total utility, and number 3rd column heading marginal utility. When consumer consumed X units of commodity, number 1, then Tu 10, here Tu 10, so marginal utility also same because first unit and last unit here same, so Mu how many? 10. Next, when consumer consumed a second unit of X, then total utility increases 18. So when second unit means last unit, when second unit when consumer consumed first plus first unit then plus second unit means additional unit when consumer consumed, so how many utility increases? Here 10 and here 18. So 10 plus 8, 18, or 18 minus 10 is equal to how many answer? 8. So marginal utility 8. Then consumer consumed a third unit, then total utility increases 24 utility, and marginal utility how many? Here 24 minus 18 means third unit is last unit, so 18 plus 6, 24, or 24 minus 18, 6, so marginal utility how many here? 6. Then next, when consumer consumed a fourth unit, then Tu again increases 28, so Mu how many? 4, because 28 minus 24, answer 4. Next, again consumer consumed a fifth unit of X commodity, then total utility here 30, and marginal utility how many? 2, because 30 minus 28 is equal to answer 2. Then when consumer consumed number 6 unit, then total utility also same constant, no increases in total utility, and here 30 minus 30, so Mu how many? 0. Mu how many? 0. Again consumer consumed a 7th unit of commodity, total utility 28 means a decreases, and marginal utility how many? Minus 2. How many? Minus 2. So students, when you observe units of X 1 to 7, total utility 10 to 28, marginal utility 10 to minus 2. So you are clear when consumer consumed here X, so example first apple, second apple, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, total utility increases here 10, 18, 24, 28. Total utility increases up to unit number 5, means fifth apple. Then marginal utility continuous decreases 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 up to fifth unit of apple. Then when consumer consumed number 6 apple, total utility not increases same year 30 because of marginal utility how many? 0. And again when maximum total utility, then consumer consumed number 7th apple, then total utility decreases 2 units, means here 28, and marginal utility minus 2, means here total utility increasing at a diminishing rate, total utility increasing at diminishing rate, and here marginal utility decline means decreasing rate. So total utility always positive, total utility always positive, but here marginal utility positive, 0, even negative. These are the relation between total utility and marginal utility explained through the diagram or graphical presentation. They now clear the concept. So graphical presentation, relationship between total utility and marginal utility explained through the schedule and diagram or graphical presentation. So here total utility and marginal utility same schedule, units of x commodity 1 to 7, total utility 10 to 28, and marginal utility 10 to minus 2. So these are the same table or same schedule explained through the graphical presentation, So graphical presentation, on x-axis units of commodity x, and on y-axis total utility and marginal utility, So on y-axis 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32 utility. Then here units of commodity 1, 2, 3 to highest 7. So in a graphical presentation, first we see TU, then MU. So first TU, here first unit of commodity total utility how many? 10. So here 8 and 12. So here center 10. Then second unit 18, third unit 24, fourth unit 28, sixth unit 30, seventh unit same 30, and sixth unit same 30, and seventh unit 28. So here curve decline 28. So when you connect 10 to 28, it is called total utility curve. So total utility curve upwards slope from left to right, So it is called TU curve, total utility curve. Then next marginal utility. When consumer consumed first unit, marginal utility 10. So here same, in first unit total utility and marginal utility also same, means a constant 10. Then second 8, third 6, fourth 4, fifth 2, 6 0, and 7 minus 2. So when you connect MU, marginal utility curve 10 to minus 2, it is called marginal utility curve. So marginal utility curve downward slope from left to right, and here upward slope. So When you study the relation between TU and MU, they now clear. Total utility increases at diminishing rate. Total utility increases at diminishing rate. When number 6 apple or X unit when consumer consumed, here 30 total utility constant. 30 total utility constant means 30 is the maximum when consumer consumed 6 number apple. So total utility is the maximum and marginal utility is the 0. So total utility highest and marginal utility 0, it is called point of satiety or maximum satisfaction level or maximum satisfaction level. Again, maximum satisfaction level when consumer consumed extra units of apple, so total utility 28, so curve decline here 2 points means total utility 28 and here marginal utility minus 2 means when point of satiety number 6 30 and here 0, after point of satiety or after maximum satisfaction level when consumer consumed again extra units of apple, then to start this utility, it is called this utility point means minus 2. So relation between total utility and marginal utility explained through the schedule and graphical presentation. Then some conclusion is number 1, total utility and marginal utility of the very first unit of a X or apple consumed are the same. In first unit when consumer consumed apple or X unit, same here, total utility 10 and marginal utility 10. Next, as the consumer consumes further units of X, the total utility increases. The total utility increases at a diminishing rate. At a diminishing rate means first 10, then second 24, then third 38. It is called increasing rate, but 10, 18, 24 means a diminishing rate. Total utility increases but with rate diminishing rate and marginal utility goes on diminishing. Every point marginal utility also diminishing. So here TU arrow is upward, TU arrow is upward and MU arrow is downward. Third, at a particular stage total utility reaches its maximum and remains constant. Here point number 6 total utility is maximum and constant because 5 number same 30 and 6 number 30. So remain constant, whereas marginal utility becomes 0. Here marginal utility becomes 0. This is called total utility maximum 30 and TU MU 0. It is called point of satiety. So here TU is highest or maximum and MU is 0. Then after point of satiety, any additional unit consumed further results in a decline in the total utility. So total utility 30 to 28 means decline, while marginal utility becomes negative means 0, and after number 7 minus 2 means negative. So here TU decline arrow, TU decline and MU how many? Negative or minus. Then after reaching the point of satiety, a rational consumer should stop the consumption since the maximum limit of satisfaction is reached and there is no addition to total utility by any further increases in the stock of commodity. And last conclusion is consumption behind the point of satiety transform satisfaction into dissatisfaction or disutility. In other words, a consumer starts experiencing ill effects of consumption. So these are the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Students, in examination, question number 4 ask the questions relationship between total utility and marginal utility, 4 marks. In this question, you are necessary to write TU and MU meaning, then schedule and graphical presentation or diagram, and explanation for 4 marks. Then same, the relation between TU and MU, ask a 2 marks question, distinguish between a total utility and marginal utility. Distinguish between total utility and marginal utility. So distinguish between a total utility and marginal utility when you study, you are necessary meaning. So in meaning, number 1, total utility is the sum total of the individual utilities derived from the consumption of a single unit of goods. And here marginal utility is the addition made by the total utility from every additional unit consumed. So total utility relation and marginal utility relation when you study, then total utility means the sum of total the individual utilities derived from the consumption of a single unit of goods or commodity, means first apple, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the total utilities summation, it is called total utility. And marginal utility means extra unit, last unit when consumer consumed, it is called marginal utility. Then next, distinguish total utility increases at a diminishing rate. Total utility increases at a diminishing rate, and in opposite side marginal utility goes on diminishing, means start to end MU also decline, it is called diminishing rate. Third, at the point of satiety means maximum satisfaction, TU is highest, TU is equal to highest, and at the point of satiety MU is 0, MU is 0. And next one, distinguish total utility is always positive, total utility is always positive, and here marginal utility can be positive, 0, even negative. These are the distinguish between total utility and marginal utility. In examination ask question for 2 marks. Students, today we have studied concept of total utility and marginal utility and relationship between total utility and marginal utility, and distinguish between total utility and marginal utility. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Then available my next video notification for you. Thank you.